Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just looking for something. Rio. How about I'll just create? What? That is not Rio. Okay, no, I just changed my mind. Which one is the last minutes? Okay, it's just sorry guys, in the last episode, because my mom is just gonna get me. Okay, wait. Oh, don't mind that.
Did Serena take it as well?
Come on.
She's had a lesson this, hasn't she? She should try. No matter what.
Sorry guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Oh no, it's loading again. And I'll be back again.
Did you see that?
I'll be back. Sorry guys, I changed my mind, so thank you guys for watching another quick video. So I'm doing this one, and goodbye.